this video first, but I didn't. Okay, that is the mom, and that troublemaker weird is the boy. I didn't have another coat to cover him because it was really cold, so I just gave him the mother's. Yeah, they're adorable. Rufo, get out of the water. Rufo, it's cold. Hello, say hi. Don't be rude. Hi, Lucy. Up, 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 up. Good girl. You're such adorable. Go down, down. That's it. Down. Go down, down. Up, down, down, down. Give me your paw. Give me your. Wait, oh my god. Bunch of puppies there. Up, up, come up. Good girl. Why are you interrupting? So cute. Okay, go down. Lucy. Give me your. Nope. Give me your paw. Nope. Give me your paw. Okay. Later on, I'll show you another video where she's so irresistible. Okay, thank you. Bye, YouTube.